ELI5. Why can't the world have a universal power outlet design? Why do different countries have different kinds? It's just the original plug design was unsafe, so every country designed their own. They invented a universal plug called the Type N in 2007, and so far only Brazil has adopted it. Because those countries developed those standards independently back in the days when there wasn't any such standard. And switching standards now would be ruinously expensive. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.